Everyone earns money and spend it on this and that, but they don't really know how to spend it. In this video, we will check out 50-30-20 rule of spending money. There's a saying, if you earn 10 rupees, then learn to live with that 10 rupees. We will check out 50-30-20 budget rule in a deeper level. I make videos on English improvement, motivation, books, and much more. All the educational content, you can see it here. Subscribe this channel, it will worth it. Actually, living expenses are very low. It is when you try to live like others, your expenses increase and your salary is not enough. With this 50-30-20 rule, you will be more effective in saving up money and spending it. So let's check what this 50-30-20 rule is. Out of your full salary, 50% should be reserved for your needs and 30% for your wants. But what's the difference between needs and wants? Needs are something you cannot live without, like your home, food, shelter, proper clothing. The list goes on, like house rents, electricity bill, grocery, etc. And what's wants? They are not absolutely necessary. You can live without them too. Wants are things that can improve your quality of life. It is everything other than needs, like that expensive watch you have been dreaming about, that stylish trendy clothes you want. Such things comes in your wants. So now you know 50% goes to your needs, 30% to your wants, and what's the 20%? This 20% is something people always trivialize. Nobody really care about this 20%. That is exactly why most of us are going bankrupt. 20% is savings. Life is so unpredictable, yaar. It can give you everything sometimes, and the next you will know you have nothing. So you will have to be ready for things you will not be ready for. It will be a very small amount considering to what you earn. That 20%, save it. If you can't save 20%, at least save 10%. If you are earning 100 rupees, just save 10 rupees at least. When it comes to money, be very careful, even spending 1 ounce of it. There's a phrase in English, beyond one's means, meaning to spend more than one can afford. Don't be that guy. Keep a small amount in your bank account and never beg for money from anyone. Live with pride. When it comes to money, be very clever with it. I hope you learned something new from this video. Give a like to this video and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.